Latest on the transfer news. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngibuyile ke nezindaba zala kuBetway Premiership regarding ama transfers. Ama-club amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe i-club iyathenga na. Indaba engizoqala ngazo namhlanje ngizoqala ngeindaba ze-defender leStellenbosch uThabo Moloyisane. Ngizwa indaba la iphume namhlanje kuthi uThabo Moloyisane will become a free agent. Uzojoina i-club ayithandayo mekuphela le season ezoqala nje. So le season ezoqala yango 2025-2026 season i-contract yakhe neStellaris so expire ngoJuly 1 next year. Yabo umjida ke uthe akafuna ukuyirenewa i-contract yakhe with iStellenbosch, akafuna ukuhlala eStellenbosch next season. So uzoba yi-free agent noma yipi nje i-team efuna ukumsayina isengamsayini, but leyo team melifine i-contract rights yena umjida uzovuma ukuyisayinela. Khumbulani ke Orlando Pirates, iKaizer Chiefs are interested in signing this guy. So between those two teams asazi ukuthi imaphi ama team azokwazi ukumthola qala, yabo, but ke umjida uzobe free agent by next year. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu, agent kaCastillo bafethu. Agent yaCastillo ikhulumile nabeindaba yasho ukuthi ba open ekuhlaleni kwi-market yala eAfrica, bafuna ukuqhubeka noCastillo adlalela eAfrica, yabo. Bayasho ukuthi i-experience ayithole kwiKaizer Chiefs uCastillo izomsebenzela kakhulu la eAfrica and available, umjida uyadlala kakhulu, inkinga yakhe uhlaselwa ama-injury, yabo. So yena i-agent yakhe ayinankinga ukuthi aqhubeke ahlale la umjida athola ama-teams la, yabo, but ke asazi ukuthi imaphi ama-team are-interested currently kuCastillo, yabo. There are many teams akhona kwi-Betway Premiership angafika umjida approach, but ke as of now we don't know which team, which club ezomsayina uCastillo bafethu. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphumela namhlanje njengoba ngangibikile bafethu regarding uBradley Grobler. uBradley Grobler ke namhlanje bam-announcile as their new player eSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune United bafethu ade sasimfuna lo mjida lo. He recently parted ways with the SuperSport United after spending many seasons with the SuperSport United, becoming their leading top goal scorer with SuperSport United. Umjida ke bafethu usezodlalela iSikhukhune United, rejoining his former coach uEric Tinkler laphaya. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje regarding iSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune United sesi-announcile omunye umdlali futhi uSiphiwe Mahlangu. uSiphiwe Mahlangu sengakhuluma ngaye insukwini. Umjida ushiye kuTS Galaxy, yabo. Umjida ubedlalela eTS Galaxy, una-30, ushaya amagoli awu-15, washaya ama-assist ayi-9, wadlala ama-games ayi-110 with iTS Galaxy. Umdlali ngempela lo one-experience futhi uzoyinikeza leyo edge iSikhukhune United, yabo. So uyena ke umdlali lo umusha uSiphiwe Mahlangu ozojoina iSikhukhune. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje, uLee Langveld has signed a new deal with iStellenbosch FC. Lo goalkeeper ke bafethu ade wafika kwiStellenbosch. Uyena umdlali wogcina osakhona kwiStellenbosch right now owabasiza ukuthi bawine ipromotion ukuthi bafike kwiBetway Premiership ngo-2018-2019. So bamnikeze enye icontract ukuthi ahlale kwiclub. I think lo mjida uzoba part of ilegend yeStellenbosch because ade afika, yabo. Uyena beno Van Rooyen, yabo, beno Jaden Adams, ibona abadlali ongasho ukuthi hayi they are regarded as those players aba-valuable abaqhuma kwiStellenbosch, but ke yena usazohlala enye season, yabo. Maybe next season uzoretire masiphele next season, we don't know, but ke currently umjida uzohlala another season with iStellenbosch. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje, uSean Mkhize is the new president of Eswatini club Mbabane Highlanders, according to country's Daily News. She has become the first female leader of the Capital City Giants. Hey, asazi yabo indaba ezikanje angifuni sayikhumbula indaba ezikanje ngosikhathi ethenga iclub la eSouth Africa. Asazi noma usazomlandela yini uye le eSwazini, but ke indaba iphumile bafethu. uSean Mkhize has purchased the new club le eSwaziland, iMbabane Highlanders, yabo. Mekhona uhlala eSwatini la angangitshela kabanzi ngalolu daba lolu. Kwezinye zeindaba eziphume namhlanje, mina ngikhumbula bafethu uJesse Don lo mdlali lo wethu useretire, but ke ngibone indaba namhlanje kuthiwa he was spotted training with iSwelele alongside former SuperSport United player uKamohelo Mahlatsi. Abajida bebejima with iSwelele FC. Mina ngikhumbula kahle ke le club le iSwelele sathenga i-status eSuperSport United, so babonekale bejima kwiSwelele FC. Ingabe sombona yini uJesse Don ebuyela ebholeni? Because mina ngikhumbula kahle lo mjida wa retire esaneminyaka emincane nje. Kwesinye zezindaba eziphume namhlanje, i-striker uJunior Dawn has resurfaced at Golden Arrows after parting ways with the latter provincial rivals AmaZulu FC at the end of the previous season. Umjidaka usebonakale ejima with the Golden Arrows, ama-rivals amaZulu. AmaZulu neGolden Arrows balokhu beshintshisana ngabadlali nje. Kodwa liyoke lube khona ushintsho kuma-club ala eKZN because mina ngokwami angiyiboni iba khona inqubela phambili mesoloko siqhubeka senza kanje. uRyan Moon uyojoyina amaZulu. uRyan Moon usuka kuGolden Arrows uyojoyina amaZulu. uJunior Dion usuka ngala kumaZulu uyojoyina eGolden Arrows. Lukhona kodwa ushintsho oluzoba khona. Ngoba sithola abadlali abasha, something new ezokhuphula izinga lebhola la eThekwini, but ke that's a story for another day. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile regarding iSwelele FC update. iSwelele FC, most of the current technical team and abadlali abadlala khona bazosala. Bazosala ngeke bahambe. I-technical team nabadlali bayo i-SuperSport United. Actually awuthi ngiyibiza nge-SuperSport United right now because akakashintshi lutho. Most of the current technical team abekwi-SuperSport United nabadlali bazosala. I-CEO uStan Matthews will remain at the club. Manje ikhumbula kahle i-CEO ye-SuperSport United iyona yadayisa status, but ke kuthiwa okwamanje izo-remaina kwi-club. Gradual move to Bloemfontein, keeping the players and staff based in their current headquarters. Kuthiwa ama-home games wabo ngenzeka bawadlalele le eBloemfontein, but ke those news are still developing, but their headquarters will be in Pretoria. Academy and DDC squad to run in the same manner as under SuperSport United. Ngeke kushintshe lutho. I-DDC yakhona izoshintsha nje igama kube iSwelele FC, but ke the players kwi-DDC azoqhubeka ahlale, ngeke ayendawo wona. Focus on building a strong squad. Andre Arendse no Johnson will remain part of the first team setup, but it remains to be seen whether a new coach will be brought in. But ke okwamanje bafethu iSuperSport United ayishintshanga lutho oluthini, kushintshwe nje igama kwathiwa iSwelele FC update. Not iSwelele FC update because i-title lebhalelwa, but kuzobe iSwelele FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje, former South African under-17 player uWaylon Reneke has joined iclub yase-Sweden edlala kwi-second tier i-Ogites IC. Umdlali lo una 19 years old bafethu uyi-defender, udlala lo mjida lo udlala eSweden. Kuthiwa umjida uzobe ekwi-loan kwi-FC Copenhagen until the end of 2025 Super Return season. He played for SA at the 2023 under-17 AFCON. Umjida ke bafethu simfisela okuhle njengoba edlala le overseas. Engawuthi angabuya azorepresent iBafana Bafana njengoba wayerepresentile iBafana Bafana encane under 17 ngo-2023. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje bafethu, ugoalkeeper weBafana Bafana uVelimothwa usebonakale ejima with University of Pretoria. Asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, but ke engazi ukuthi uzothola i-contract with ama-Tuks. Siyamazi kumjida une-experience aqala ukuvimba, una 34 years old, unama clean sheets awu-51 kuma-games ayi-124 during his time with AmaZulu FC. Ningakhohlwa-ke kusasa bafethu, Orlando Pirates idlala igame yayo yokuqala kwi-preseason Spain Tour 2025. They will be playing against iBolton Wanderers, iclub ke le idlala le club le itholakala le England. Iyadlala ngempela le England. So Orlando Pirates ubidlala umdlalo wayo wokuqala kusasa ngo-11 o'clock ekseni. Ningakhohlwa bafethu, it is AM not 11 PM at night. It is 11 PM. It is 11 AM in the morning. So nje ngakwi-lunch, mena idla lunch lapha. Mase nidla lunch ningakhohlwa ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyadlala emsebenzini. Mina ke I don't think ngizokwazi ukuyibuka igame, ngizobe ngisemsebenzini bafethu, but ke kulaba abazoyibuka igame bangasitshela ukuthi igame idlale kanjani. I think ngizoyibuka mase ngibuka because izobe i-live ku-YouTube, iyatholakala futhi naku SuperSport. So mengibuya emsebenzini, I'll watch the game and see ukuthi abadlale kahle, see the new players, ngincome la ngincoma khona, and I will do the video regarding le game le. Igame ebaluleke kakhulu le for i-Orlando Pirates bafethu, so kumele senze sure ukuthi siyam-impress ucoach omusha, abadlali kumele bam-impress ucoach omusha, nabadlali abasha ba-impress ama-fans. As fans we want to see the new players ukuthi basiphatheleni. I want to see uMbuthu Mekora, I want to see Osuna Police enze ibukwayo, I want to see Siphumbule edlala kahle, I want to see uTshepo Murimi yabo impressor, I want to see these new players oMashilione yabo. So ngempela bafethu ningakhohlwa igame yadlala kusasa 11 AM, Orlando Pirates versus iBolton Wanderers.